It's gently raining now. Light, drizzly, not too bad though. Not so cold now, I've been doing this a little while. Tends to warm me up a bit. Whatever this is, in the scoop. Still looking for the elusive gold. No gold yet today. Have a quid though, I think. Yeah, look. Have a quiddy. You got to work the old beach, you know. Let's have a listen. You've got to work it. You'd be surprised. People come down here, they do it, and they think, oh, nothing, can't be nothing else. There's rates of it. That's a bit of a alley. Might be. Yeah, I can see it. Let's carry on. Look about, yeah. What's time? 20 to 4, 25 to 4. Soon gets dark. People walking their dogs. Well, I'll come back to you when I get a signal.